So this is a test between the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 Creator Combo. This is with the Osmo Action 4. Both now use the wireless mic as of December 12th, 2023. So I'll be trying to switch the mic between the two. Right now I'm using the wireless mic on DJI Pocket 3. So I'm gonna walk around, do some stabilization tests, and just see which one is best for vlogging. They're both very good, just deciding which one I'd rather use. Again, this is the Osmo Action 4, and this is the DJI Pocket 3. So this is a walking test. Both are shooting in 4K 30. Action 4 has Rocksteady on, just a regular Rocksteady. DJI Pocket 3 has the gimbal, so it doesn't have any electronic stabilization. I'm gonna look for some text so that we can compare how the focusing looks. The Pocket 3 has a shallower depth of field. Action 4, everything should pretty much be in focus, but I know if you get super close, it won't be because it's more focusing further out. See how that text comes out. See how that text comes out. So here's a walking test. Check how the stabilization is. The Action 4 is electronic only, and the Pocket 3 is stabilization with the gimbal only. It's hard because the field of view is so much different on the two. So here's some artwork. We'll see how this looks. It's hard because the field of view is so much different on the two. That's about 3 inches. So here's more of a trail. This is usually what I do my videos on, so this is a better representation on paved ground. More signage for sharpness. That's what shooting into the sun looks like on both. Not that I would intentionally do that. So I did confirm that the Pocket 2, it wants to default to is the mic that it connects to out of the two devices, probably because it came with it and it was synced with that from the factory. Now if I wanted to connect to the Action 4, I just turn off the Pocket 2, then I hold down the power button on the mic for maybe 5 or 6 seconds, then it'll show up on the screen and just confirm it, and then it'll switch over. I was able to leave on the Action 4 though, I didn't have to restart it, so that's good. See what the sand looks like. So I guess some of the other advantages are the Action 4 has a wider field of view. The Pocket 3 has a shallower depth of field, so it's more cinematic. Action 4 is definitely more rugged because it doesn't have the gimbal that can break. But for night mode, or any dusk and night scenes, the Pocket 3 is going to do better with the 1-inch sensor as well as the gimbal instead of the electronic stabilization, which needs a higher shutter speed in order to do the electronic stabilization. So here's an indoor video test. These are white fluorescent lights. Let's just be a quick test. Just to show how they both do with indoor low light or lower lighting. Here's what the camera's facing me. Active track is on the Pocket 3. Osmo Action, I'm just doing my eye. There's a little area without light there, so see how they do. And my arms aren't fully straight out, they're close, but bent at the elbow a little bit, but it's just to give you an idea how they look indoors, as well as face it with me facing the camera. So here's an indoor video test. These are white fluorescent lights. Let's just be a quick test. Just to show how they both do with indoor low light or lower lighting. Here's what the camera's facing me. Active track is on the Pocket 3. Osmo Action I'm just doing by eye. There's a little area without light there, so see how they do. And my arms aren't fully straight out, they're close, but bent at the elbow a little bit, but it's just to give you an idea how they look indoors, as well as face it with me facing the camera. So for the night test, this is it in the day, but I'm going to come back tonight. So you can see what the lights look like, as well as how well the cameras do at night with the holiday lights. I just figured I'd come out here now and show you an idea of what it would look like, or what it looks like in the day. Here's the Action 4 versus the Pocket 3 with the holiday display at night, just to show how it does between the two cameras. Now this is just a standard profile on the Pocket 3 because I didn't want to even worry about night mode because the Action 4 doesn't have it. There's some music there that I'll probably have to go over. Elf there. With the Pocket 2, the base camera has no mount whatsoever. They do include this maybe 1.5-inch little bottom bracket that just kind of pops on. It does nothing more than add a 1/4-inch thread so you can mount it to a tripod or an extension rod or whatever you need to do. So it also includes in the combo this battery extender. So what this does is it kind of just goes in USB-C, you get another 1/4-inch. It's maybe 3.5, 4 inches tall, and it just pops right on, or makes the entire pocket longer, but then you also get the 1/4-inch, and you get much better battery life. So you get a better grip too when you hold it, because you're definitely not over the mics because where it's at. Here's the DJI Action 4, which has some magnetic clips, pop right into place, and then they have the two little arms. I don't know if you can see them there. That will actually grip in there and hold really well. So the advantage for the Action 4 is that if you want to quickly change mounts, mount it to a bike and then a helmet or a chest mount, you can literally just pop it off that fast and it goes right back on. This concludes the video comparing the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 compared to the DJI Action 4. They both have distinct purposes, but if someone can just only get one, depending on what they want to do, I would say if you want more adventure stuff, mounting it to a bike, underwater, you'll definitely want the Action 4 over the Pocket 3. If you just want to do vlogging and travel videos, I would say the Pocket 3 is definitely the way to go. I would say if you can get the creator combo, you get the wide angle lens, you get the extra bag, the wireless mic, which works flawlessly with the Pocket 3. So I would definitely say if you can get that. It's really hard to get those accessories separate. So if you just get the creator combo right out of the box, that's your best bet. As for the Action 4 Adventure combo, I would say that's also a better deal too, because you get the 2 additional batteries, you get the battery charging pack, you get the extension rod. So it's just a all around better solution if that's what you need. This concludes this video. Hopefully you found it useful. If you did, click the like button and subscribe to see more content like this. I usually do adventure things, different vlogs around the area, around the Midwest of the US, as well as different camera gear reviews as I get different equipment. Thanks for watching.